Journey of Employability Training in Enable India.
Let me tell you the journey of how our employability training evolved. In fact, it was quite hilarious. We used to, I'm saying we, initially at Enable India, it was me, Vidya, etc. So we worked with companies closely, tried to understand the jobs, did a couple of placements. So I remember this one boy, Keshav Murthy, a very smiling person, excellent, so full of energy. I felt this guy is the easiest placement I've ever done. Placed him in Shell, simple job, just he has to stand, direct traffic, great job. Called after some days, called the manager, he's taken a lot of leaves. I said, why would he do that? I mean, I've done training and I know that we did just a 5-day training or something. And I know that this person wanted a job badly, was ready to do anything for a job, in fact was coming from really far away and doing this job. There is no way he would have taken a leave. Then came to know he had taken quite a few leaves, and then after that, he's left. How did he leave? I called Keshav Murthy, told him to come and meet me. He says, manager, bad, angry with me, and left. I was shocked. Why would manager be bad? He got angry. Obviously, if you took so many leaves, even I would be angry, and maybe the manager would have spoken badly to you one time. But that doesn't mean you just leave the job. Now, there's a choice we could have made at Enable India at that time. Keshav Murthy is bad, or hearing impaired. We can stereotype them. Hearing impaired are this way, or visually impaired are that way. We could have made a choice at that time to think that this person or their action was bad. But instead, I think we did the right thing. We actually delved a little deeper. We did a little analysis. Why did Keshav Murthy take leave? Well, our entire country does that. Basically, work ethics is not, in the fabric of our structure. So why not him? Why, there is equality here. If a non-disabled can take leave, so can a person with disability. But that's not what we want, because a non-disabled can go and get another job. That opportunity may not be there for my person with disability. So if and when they get a job, with so much difficulty, we would have found a solution. We would have convinced the company. They better do well in the job. They better stick to their job, obviously, as much as possible, and not take leaves, obviously have the right work ethics. Okay, so that is clear. But why did he think that the manager was bad or angry, or, manager was angry, but why was he bad, That happens not only to a person with disability. Think of anybody who has had less exposure. Maybe who's not gone for school from a small town, or maybe a girl who has been very inside her own family. They tend to look at things in a very black and white way. The first time I went to America, if I did not have exposure before that, oh, Americans are that way, this person is that way. We tend to start bracketing people. That happens when we have less exposure. So is that the problem? We had to think a little bit more. And the answer was yes. When I'm a person with disability, what's the social circle for Keshav Murthy? What's the social circle for Vijay Lakshmi, who is visually impaired? Who talks to a hearing impaired? Do the parents also talk? Maybe that's the conversation they're having. So where's the exposure where you understand different people? If a person with vision impairment, like Vijay Lakshmi, has only been sitting in her house, or Suresh, our own trainer, for 25 years or 30 years, he was pretty much in his house. He was trained or taught in his house. So with this kind of exposure, naturally I'm going to think the world is bad, manager bad, if he just spoke one line and was a little angry. So I can completely understand that. So that is where our journey started, by understanding the root causes on the problems that a person with disability can face because of their disability.